Yeah, we'll get you out of here.
Hi.
Hi there. How are you?
Yeah.
You helping Daddy with court this morning?
I have a tablet.
Hi.
What?
You're having a sandwich?
She got the tablet.
Oh, a tablet. You have the tablet. Are you letting him borrow it? Is he borrowing your tablet?
No,
No. Okay.
he got the laptop.
He got his own. Okay. All right.
Okay.
Ready when you are on Mr. Tate.
Okay. You mind close real quick?
Oh, sure. Okay.
Alrighty. Or is it Deron Ronaldo Tate?
De'Aaron Ronaldo.
Aaron, I'm sorry. De'Aaron Ronaldo Tate.
Yes.
SP 1407260 counts 2 and 3. And SP 1551869 counts 1 and 2.
Thank you. Both are City versus De'Aaron Tate. Mr. Tate, just state your name for the record, please.
De'Aaron Tate.
Thank you. Looks like I'm going to be pleading to one count of a reduced charge of failure to display a valid license, one count of improper plate. Then you've got other matters would be dismissed. Is that all consistent with your understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
And did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
Only this 3-year-old.
Only what?
Only this 3-year-old.
Okay. All right. Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
You understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Please raise your right hand and swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
I swear.
Thank you. All right. Is it true that on November 16th of 2022 in the area of East Outer Drive in Sinaloa, that you were operating a vehicle in the city of Detroit and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes.
Thank you. Is it also true that you did not have proper plates on the vehicle at that time due to a lack of insurance?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Plea is accepted as to both counts. On your first one, the failure to display is 190. And then because the other one's on the same ticket, I can reduce that one down to 100. Okay, so 290 altogether.
Okay.
Other matters are dismissed. And then I'm going to give you, given that you've got the little one here, I'm going to give you a little bit more time. So I'm going to give you 90 days to do one of two things here. And that is to get them paid off in full or to at least start on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor of our courthouse. Okay. All they'll want is a down payment, but I don't know exactly how much they would want. So that's something you definitely want to check sooner rather than later if you know you're going to want a longer term payment plan. Okay.
Okay.
All right. You have a great day.
One question, Your Honor.
Uh-huh.
My total is how much?
290 on these tickets. The only problem is come see the cashier soon if you know you need a payment plan so they can see if there's anything else. Okay.
Yeah. No, I can pay that in full.
Okay, very good. Don't try to pay it before Monday.
Oh, you said don't try to pay it before Monday?
Right. We've got to update everything in the system.
Okay. Monday.
Okay. All right. Have a great day.
Okay. You
Bye,
said,
guys.
You said
Bye,
bye.
sweetheart. Bye-bye. May I have a Kleenex again?
Oh,
I need a box up here. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, I'm good. Thank you. Hopefully. Okay. All right. We got some more folks in. Oh, Miss Horn's out there. All right, guys. Sorry to have kept you waiting. We were dealing with a plea. All right. Mr. Soroki, good morning. You have co-host.
Yes.
Ms. Horn, good morning. You now have
Morning.
co-host. All right. Good morning. For the rest of you, thank you for waiting. You're about our third wait. Guys, you're not muted. So on phone number ending in 5240.
Yes.
I need you to just try to quiet your background or mute your device. When you guys are on phone only device, that's difficult. So I need you to try to keep your background quiet, okay? Welcome to traffic court. You're going to go into breakout rooms so that you can meet with an attorney before I hear your matter. Good morning. Please do not get impatient. It's amnesty week. That means there is a bit of a wait to see the attorneys this morning. There's nothing I can do about it. I'm trying to get a lot of people through the system this week. Okay. So you're going into a breakout room. If you know that you need to show proof of insurance or registration, things like that, you got something fixed on your car, go ahead and gather those items while you're waiting for the attorney to come and speak with you. Is there anyone here who has already been speaking with an attorney outside of court? Okay, very good. I need to get a couple of folks named here. So the phone number ending in 5240, what's your name, please?
My name is Tony Joe Terrell.
Tony, T-O-N-E-Y or T-O-N-Y-I?
Toni.
Okay, and then spell your last name for me. Terrell, T-E-R-R-E-L-L?
T as in Tom, E-R-R-E-L-L.
Good, thank you. And then the phone number ending in, oh, I can't see it now. Move out of my way. Phone number ending in 3714. May I have a name, please?
Javon Perry.
Are you saying Terry like Tom or Perry like porch?
Paul.
Thank you. Okay, guys, you are now going to be placed. Well, one moment, Mr. Perry. Let me get these folks in the breakout rooms, then I'll take your question. Ms. Payne, you're going to go to room 29. Ms. Tobar, you're going to go to room 30. Ms. Terrell, you're going to go to room 31. Okay, Mr. Perry, how may I help you?
So I'm using my smartphone, but I think I gotta join the Zoom, and it won't let me. Like I was already sent to a room, and it wouldn't let me.
Did you come in through the Zoom app?
No, I did not.
Okay, so it might be that you need to use the Zoom app to come in, but it's okay. We can do it by just voice like this if it works for you.
Okay. It won't allow
Okay.
me. Like I went on the website and everything, and I followed the instructions on the paper, and it won't.
Okay. Let's just do this. What room were you in before?
I don't know. She said my name. She asked me my credentials. I told her, and then she just transferred me, and it was just.
Okay. I think you might have been in 18 because it's empty. So I'm going to send you there. All right. I have Ms. Truitt and Mr. Pruitt. Good morning to both of you. Have either of you spoken with an attorney outside of court?
No, ma'am.
Thank you. All right, sending you to breakout rooms so that you can meet with an attorney before I hear your matter. You're going to 32 and 33. Please go ahead and join those rooms, and there will be a wait. Please be patient. Gather documents if you know you need to, registration, insurance, etc. while you wait. Go ahead and join those breakout rooms now, please. Attorney Soroki, are you ready on your matter?
Your Honor, I'm a new, just was recently appointed on Omer Perry. I don't know if he's in the courtroom.
He's not here yet.
Okay,
Mr.
what I'll
Pruitt, hold
do
on one
is,
second. Mr. Pruitt, you must join the breakout room. The invitation is going to disappear and you are getting further behind in the line. Please join the breakout room.
I'll send him a text and I'll come back in like 20 minutes if that's okay.
That's fine. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Number ending in 5527. What is your name, please?
Gerald Purify.
Spell the first name.
Gerald, G-E-R-A-L-D.
P-U-R-I-F-O-Y.
P-U-R-I-F-Y.
Thank you. Ooh, we got a lot of people on this docket today. This is nuts.
Yeah.
Who's our house counsel today?
Attorney Johnson and Attorney Waller.
Okay. We'll get to Mr. Pruitt. I don't know what to do if you can't join the breakout room. That's how you're going to be able to move forward today. Calling ticket number P1870929, City versus Emmanuel Pitts. Mr. Pitts, please unmute and state your name for the record.
Emmanuel Pitts.
Thank you. You've got one count of no insurance, one count of 11 to 15 over speed. I understand they're going to dismiss the no insurance and reduce the speed to 1 to 5 over limited access, which is a 0-point ticket. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Please raise your right hand. Swear affirm everything you're going to tell the court today is the truth. Need an answer, please.
I couldn't hear you.
Please raise your right hand and swear to tell the truth.
Yeah, I tell the truth.
Thank you. Is it true, sir, that on February 20th of 2026 in the area of East Lafayette and Shane, that you were going at least 1 to 5 over the speed limit and we are making that a limited access ticket?
Yes.
Thank you. Fine is $125. You have 60 days to pay it in full or start on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor. As long as you do one of those two things, this deal remains in place. Have a great day.
You too. Thank you.
Man, my nose. Okay. Does Attorney Walling know how we do things?
I think so. I honestly don't know.
Okay, that's okay. I'll just pull him out and just make sure that he knows how we do it. Hey, Attorney Walling, how are you this morning?
Good sign. How could, what's up?
Good morning. How are you this morning?
Okay.
Good. I haven't seen you in a while, so I was just making sure you remember how we do it. That if you need an SOS, rename the person asking for the SOS or the room. We'll come through and get it done for you. We've got 40 breakout rooms, I think, so I'm gonna try to help you move as well as we can. If you have a plea, you can rename the person with the terms of the plea, send them on out, and we'll get it done.
Judge, good segue. I have Mr. Pitts. He's pleading pursuant to the recommendation to
It's already gone. So you did that. Thank you. He's already done and gone.
Very good.
Okay.
If you're that excited, Judge, I will name them so everybody can figure them out. And if you could do it without me, I'll just move along.
Yep. Thank you. Yeah, I
Thank
think
you.
otherwise we'll be here till 6 o'clock this evening with the number of people.
That won't happen, Judge. I promise.
All right. Thank you. All right.
You're welcome.
Good to see you.
Always a pleasure, Judge.
Phone number ending in 6029. What is your name, please?
William Paul.
Okay. Can you spell the last name for me, please?
POWEL.
Thank you. Mr. Pruitt, can you hear me?
Oh, he's not connected. Audio.
Oh, gosh. Mr. Pruitt, can you hear me? All right, this is my offer sheet. Hey, I was just making sure that you knew Attorney Johnson was renaming rooms where he needed offers, but then I saw you were in there with him, so I apologize.
Okay, no problem, Judge.
I'm going through with some of them, just trying to make it easier for counsel because the docket is so big today. They're going to need an SOS on Prince in room 11. and on Tanaya Thomas in room 12.
Ready.
Okay, just let me see if you have those SOSs on Tut and Prince. I'm going to try to get ahead of them. I can. I'm sorry, Prince and Thomas. That was it. Is that Prince?
Prince is suspended.
Okay, and then we have Tanaya Thomas. What do you have ready? I'm not seeing anybody ready. What am I missing?
Oh, just one guy.
Okay, let's try to get ahead of them. Let's take 5 minutes to try to get ahead of them. I think it'll be worth it. On Tanaya Thomas, let me know when you get an SOS there.
Excuse me, Madam Clerk,
Yes.
are the notes behind the cases from the court, or who's giving notes on my people?
Yeah, so do you have the offer sheet?
Yes.
Okay, so I was just putting them there because Tamika will do that too when she's going through. So I know she was trying to do it, but I'm like, I'm just making notes too.
No, what I did for rooms 8 and 9, I'm sorry. Yes, for rooms 8 and 9, they were scheduled for yesterday.
Okay.
Number 8,
Now that part makes sense.
yeah, they were scheduled for yesterday, so they're not on the docket. They're not on your docket.
Gotcha.
Lauren will go through when she can and place her offers in the room name so that you can quickly move through them. So I'm just helping. So you can see like room 13, it's just, does she have insurance and plates? That's all. I'm just making notes for myself there too. But if that's confusing to you, I won't do it because that doesn't
It's
help.
confusing to me.
You.
Thank you.
Okay, then I'm not going to do
make
that.
yourself helpful. Put times after everybody's name.
Now that I can't do.
That
That takes me too long, and I can't do what I need to do out here. So if it's not helpful, have the offers.
Thank you, Judge.
Yeah. But there are some where I know it's just paper, so I'm just asking, does she have insurance and plates?
Now, Judge, I'll put my note and leave them right where they are. Why don't you get them? Like Mr. Turner, we're just adjourning his pretrial.
That's fine, but please ask them to come out because a lot of times they don't know and they won't. I do move them, but they don't know. So just let them know that I'll be bringing them out.
That's fine.
Watch for it. Okay.
Naya Thomas is suspended. I mean, I'm sorry, not licensed.
Okay. And then let's all right, I've got Elizabeth Perkins. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you this morning?
I'm good. How you doing?
I'm good, thanks. Then I have Lonnie Turner. Mr. Turner, good morning.
Yeah. Good morning.
All right, looks like we're just getting you another pretrial date. So let's do April 10th at 8:35 a.m., okay?
April 10th at 8:35.
Correct. All right. Have a good day.
You as well.
Bye-bye. All right, Ms. Perkins, good morning again.
Good morning.
Ticket P1063490, City versus Elizabeth Perkins. Ms. Perkins, state your name for the record, please.
Elizabeth Perkins.
Thank you. Looks like the driving while license suspended is going to be reduced to an allowing unlicensed driver to drive.
Yes.
And then your other matter is going to be dismissed pursuant to the plea. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
All right. Has anyone promised you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Has anyone forced, threatened, or coerced you into a
No.
guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
The council advised you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand that you will not have the trial if I accept your plea today?
Yes.
You will not have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial.
Right. I know. I understand.
All right, thank you.
You're
Please raise your
welcome.
right hand, swear affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
I swear it's the truth.
Thank you. Is
You're
it true,
welcome.
ma'am, that on February 5th of 2020, in the area of southbound Cadillac and Sylvester, you were operating a vehicle in the city of Detroit? I'm sorry, that you allowed an unlicensed driver to operate your vehicle in the city of Detroit, even if that unlicensed driver was yourself?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. The fine is $190. You have 60 days to get it paid or to get on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor. As long as you do one of those two things within the next 60 days, your deal will remain in place, okay?
Okay, so I have a question because I was just paying off my ticket. So I have a ticket that says 175. What is that? Is that the same one that you're talking about now?
That, if it's 175, that is very likely for blockading traffic. Something you probably negotiated down from another traffic matter, or they could have issued it for blockading. But that's a 0-point ticket, doesn't interfere with doesn't report out to your insurance. It's just the 175 fine. So yep, you can, when you come in, if you get on a payment plan, you can talk with the cashiers about that one as well. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you. You too.
Uh-huh. Mr. Pruitt is back. Hey, Tompkins, how you doing this morning? Mr. Pruitt, okay, I can try to help them with the time so they can find the offers, but that was the whole point of me putting them there, so you didn't have to look through the time. That's why you're looking for it. Okay, I see we've got somebody that needs, oh, he's talking to him, talking to him. All right, Mr. Pruitt, trying again. Can you hear me? I don't know what to do with Mr. Pruitt.
Price, Javon Perry, in room 18 has a valid license.
Is that his only charge?
Yes.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Perry, we're going to go ahead and call your matter. We have verified that you do have a valid license with the Secretary of State. Calling ticket number 185296731, City versus Javon Perry. Mr. Perry, please state your name for the record.
Javon Perry.
Thank you. Mr. Perry, your sole charge is no operator's license on person. Given the validity of your license confirmed through the Secretary of State, we're going to dismiss this ticket at this time. Have a great day.
Thank you so much.
All right. Have a good one. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. You too. Bye.
Thank you, Madam Clerk. Okay.
I know I'm jumping to the ones that only have like one count.
Yeah, I'm gonna go see Tracy Taylor. I'm gonna make you host real quick, and then can you make me co-host, please? Can you do it on the box where I have where you can see my picture? That one.
Yeah, see, I don't have that.
No, when you click on the box, so click on, close that out. No, close that. Yeah, click in the top right-hand corner of the video where you can see me on the video. There, you don't see it. You don't have a way of clicking on anything there. That's so strange.
Oh.
Okay. Okay, because that way, well, am I co-host now? No, I'm not. I'm gonna come around there with you for a minute because I'm. Let's see. So on mine. Yeah, see on mine right here. That I could make you make co-host in there, but it's not letting you do that. So when you normally make me co-host, you're doing it down here. How strange.
Yeah, it's under the participants.
Okay, well, that just makes it hard for me to help. Sorry, to go into the breakout rooms.
Okay, I gotta try and make it small again. I don't know how.
All right, I'm sorry. I do need you to do something to make me host or co-host though, or else I have to leave and come back in because I can't even see the breakout rooms. This is so strange. Maybe I have to do it. No, I can't do it.
It made me small. I figured it out, thanks.
Okay.
You want me to make co-host, right?
Yeah, I can't see anything. Thank you. Mr. Pruitt's probably going to have to come in person. I don't understand what's going on. Good morning, Mr. Taylor. Sean Taylor, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm doing pretty good. How about yourself?
I'm great, thanks. I know they were waiting for an offer in your case. The offer came back. They're going to dismiss the 2 misdemeanors if you want to just admit to holding the cell phone while driving. It doesn't put any points on your license. It's $100 fine as long as you've never had one of those tickets before. Have you ever had a cell phone ticket before? Okay.
No, ma'am.
So if you want to take that, I'll go ahead and get you out of here.
I'll take it. Let me get that.
Okay. All right. Calling ticket number SP 186-83572, City versus Sean Taylor Jr. Mr. Taylor, just state your name for the record, please.
Sean Devon Taylor.
Thank you. As I stated, the city has offered to dismiss both of the misdemeanor charges of failure to display and no insurance if you wanted to just admit to the cell phone ticket. Did we run an SOS on Mr. Taylor? Did you have proof of insurance today, Mr. Taylor?
No, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Then the offer would not be affected. So that is the offer, to just have you plead to the cell phone. It's $100 fine. It's an admission because it's not a misdemeanor. It's just a civil infraction. Please raise your right hand and swear affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
I swear everything that is the truth.
All right, thank you. All right. Is it true that on February 16th of 2026 in the area of Dexter and Edison, you were holding your cell phone while you were operating your vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. It's just $100. Okay, I'll give you 60 days to pay it.
Okay, I appreciate you.
If you can't pay it within the 60 days, you can see the cashiers on the first floor of the courthouse for a longer term payment plan. And as long as you start that payment plan within the 60 days, this deal remains intact. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Have a great day.
All right, you too, ma'am.
All right. Bye-bye. Good morning, Corporal Whitehead. Which case are you here on, please? Good morning, Corporal Whitehead. Please unmute and let me know which case you're here on.
Good morning. I'm on Perry.
Okay, I've got a couple of Perrys today. Do you have a first
That's
initial?
That's going to be T is the first initial. Tanita.
All right. You said it's Tanita?
Tanita, that's correct. Prairie.
Okay, thank you. I'll go ahead and get you into breakout room number 1, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right. Omer Perry, good morning. Mr. Perry, I'm going to place you in breakout room number 3. Your attorney will be back here shortly. He was here earlier looking for you. Please go to room 3. Malik Pruitt, are you able to hear me yet? Looks like he's...
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. All right. Glad you got that worked out. I'm going to get you into a breakout room so you can meet with an attorney. There is a wait. Please be prepared to wait for a bit, okay?
Okay.
All right. I'm going to get you into room 35. Hit join for me.
Okay.
Phone number ending in 8356. An attorney will be there with you. Just wait for them when you get to that breakout room. Go ahead and hit join, Mr. Pruitt, to go to the breakout room. Phone number ending in 8356. I need a name, please.
Yes, Jasmine Pruitt.
Thank you. I'm going to get you into a breakout room. Have you spoken with an attorney outside of court at all?
No.
Okay, thank you. I'm going to go ahead and get you into a breakout room. There will be a wait. It'll be quiet in there until they get there. It doesn't mean you're in the wrong place. Just wait for them to get to you, please. Mr. Pruitt. Mr. Pruitt. Mr. Pruitt. Mr. Pruitt. It's not going to work out. He's going to have to come down. His device doesn't work. Shantae Thompson, good morning. I'm going to place you in a breakout room. Please unmute. Shantae Thomason, please unmute.
Good morning. Yeah,
Good
welcome.
morning. Is that your correct name?
Yes, Shantae.
Okay, I'm going to place you in a breakout room to meet with an attorney. There is a wait. Please be prepared to wait. If you know you need to show proof of registration, insurance, you got your lights fixed, your window tint fixed, anything like that, go ahead and gather those items while you're waiting. You're going to room 37. Please hit join.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Tanaya Thomas, good morning. Looks like we're going to get you set for a pretrial. Final pretrial. All right, we're going to have you come back April the 10th at 8:35 a.m.
Okay, you said April the 10th at
8:35 a.m.
8:35.
Yes, ma'am. Have a good day.
Okay, thank you. See you then.
Bye-bye. I have Tanita's iPhone. I need you to unmute. Give me a full name, please. All right, Mr. Tutt, good morning to you. I know you were in a breakout room previously and that there was an offer on your matter. Looks like you're still in there with Mr. Walling. Is that correct?
I just got out of I mistakenly got out the breakout room. I was looking for a form and I just basically just joined back in. Was I supposed to go back to the breakout room?
Back to 10. Go down, please. He's there. Attorney's there waiting for you.
Okay, I
His
see.
iPhone. Tanita's iPhone. I need a name, please. You must unmute and give me a name or I'll have to remove you. All right, Daryl Phillips, good morning.
Tanita Perry.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. One moment, please. This is a trial officer here. I take it on Ms. Perry. And Ms. Perry, have you spoken with an attorney outside of court at all?
No, I haven't.
Okay, that's okay. I'm going to go ahead and get you into a breakout room. There is a wait. Please be patient. You're going to room 4. Please hit join. Hi. Mr. Phillips, have you been in to see an attorney yet? Mr. Phillips, have you been in to see an attorney yet?
Yes.
And what did the attorney tell you, Mr. Phillips?
Yes, I have. Can you hear me?
Yes. What did the attorney tell you, Mr. Phillips?
He just told me to join the courtroom.
Did you discuss a plea in your matter?
Oh, he was telling me that if I needed more time, how long would it?
Okay, so you're getting a date
No,
to
he
come
just
back?
asked me how long was it gonna take me to have my my new insurance and all.
And how
Yes.
long is it going to take you, Mr. Phillips?
Something wrong with
Mr. Phillips,
my
can you
internet
hear?
is acting up. Can you hear me?
I can hear you. Can you hear me?
My internet acting up. I'm sorry. Yes, I can hear you. It's just acting up for some reason. I don't know what's going on.
And you come back April the 10th at 8:35 a.m.?
Yes.
Okay, April 10th.
I hear you. Yes.
April 10th, 8:35 a.m. Have a good day. Can you get Mr. Phillips' final pretrial, Madam Clerk?
Okay,
Final
thank you.
pretrial on Daryl Phillips. Okay, April 10th. Thank you. Have a good day.
Okay. Thank you.
What do you hear? Was that just conference talking to someone? I don't know what to do with Mr. Pruitt.
You should offer elders.
We're ready on Tracy Taylor. Ms. Taylor, good morning.
Good morning.
Calling ticket number P1849141, City versus Tracy Taylor. Just state your name for the record, please.
Tracy Taylor.
Thank you, Ms. Taylor. Defense counsel has reviewed your valid insurance and registration and has asked me to dismiss your tickets on that basis, which I am happy to do. Your tickets are dismissed. Have a great day.
Thanks, you too.
I was thinking about you this morning, Madam Clerk, about how exhausted you must be. This week is wearing me out. Pretty good. You too, Tompkins. Yeah, it's been a busy one.
Officer called for Jerry Purcell.
Okay.
9:30. Officer Alderwish wanted to dismiss.
Dismiss. Okay. Okay, thank you. We'll bring him on out. I'll take the per sale file when you're ready. And then I'll take Brian Maurice Tony as well. Thank you, Mr. Tony. Good morning. All right.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Calling ticket number P1864256 and P1864274. Both of these are City versus Brian Tony. Mr. Tony, just state your name for the record, please.
Brian Maurice Tony Sr.
Thank you. All right. I can see that one ticket is for insurance. The other is expired plates. Looks like council has reviewed both of those things and made sure they are now in order. Good job getting that done. I'm going to dismiss both your tickets at their request at this time. Your tickets are dismissed. Have a good day.
Thank you very much. Enjoy the rest of your day, Judge.
Do the same. Thank you. This pillow.
For sale, we're waiting on our officer.
Okay. Who's the other officer? And which one are we doing? What, I'm sorry, dismiss. Which officers' tickets are being dismissed? Alvarez. So y'all help me. I can't understand. What?
Alderwish, Alvarwish.
Okay. And we're waiting on which officer? Story.
SWART.
SWART.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. All right. Okay, Mr. Tony, have a great day. Your tickets are dismissed. Siobhan Taylor, good morning to you.
Hi, good morning.
Your attorney has asked us to set a final pretrial in your matter, which I will go ahead and do. Madam Clerk, on Siobhan Taylor, final pretrial will be set for April the 10th at 8:35 a.m.
Okay.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you. You too.
All right, we got a bunch of folks in the waiting room again, including Mr. Pruitt. I don't know what we're going to do with him. Okay. Sergeant Noyce, good morning. Which case are you here on, please? Sergeant Noyce, which case are you here on, please? Good morning.
I'm here on Desmond Poland.
Is it P-O-L-A-N-D or P-U-L-L-E-N?
P-U-L-L-E-N.
Thank you. First initial is D?
Yes.
Thank you. I'll get you into breakout room number 1 so you can meet with the city attorney.
Thank you.
All right. Good morning to the rest of you, Mr. Pinson, Mr. Taylor. Who do I have at the phone number ending in 2382? What is your name, please? 2382.
Kent Parr.
I'm sorry, one more time.
Kent Parr.
K-E-N-T, Kent, and then Parr, P-A-R-R?
Yes.
Thank you. All right. Have any of you, Mr. Taylor, Mr. Pinson, or Mr. Parr, have any of you spoken with an attorney outside of court?
No, sir. No, ma'am.
All right,
No.
thank you. I'm going to place you all in breakout rooms so that you can meet with an attorney before I hear your matter. There is a wait. I apologize. There's nothing I can do about it today. If you know that you're going to need to show them proof of registration or insurance documents, things like that, or you got something fixed on your vehicle, go ahead and gather those items together now while you're waiting. Mr. Taylor, you're going to room 38. Mr. Pinson, you're going to go to room 39. And I'm sorry.
Parr is here for a trial.
Okay, and Mr. Parr, I'm going to put you up a little higher since you're here for trial. All right, Mr. Parr, it's going to be silent in that room until the attorneys get to you, and it's going to be a little while. Please be patient and wait. Don't hang up. You're going to room 5. All right, I have Marquila Payne. Good morning to you. And then I have Stacy. I need a full name, please. Stacy.
Good morning.
Good morning, Ms. Payne. Were you here previously?
Yeah, so my internet had went off. I was supposed to be in room 29. I was waiting at 29 and then the internet dropped.
Okay.
So.
Let me quickly get you back there, okay? So that
Thank
you don't
you
miss
so
the
much. Okay.
There you go. Join
Thank
29, please.
Okay.
Okay, Stacy, I need a full name, please. Stacy.
Can you hear me?
I can. Is that your first name, sir?
Yes, it is. My last name is Polk, Polk.
Thank you. Have you spoken with an attorney outside of court at all?
No.
Okay, thank you. I'm going to get you into a breakout room so that you can meet with an attorney. This is scheduled for trial. Mr. Pinson scheduled for trial too. All right. Okay, Mr. Polk, I'm going to put you in room 6. Please go ahead and hit join.
Okay, thank you.
Huh? Where did I put Pinson? I'm going to move him back. Trial cases. Anthony Pinson's going to go to room 8. Officer Corporal Croxton, good morning.
Good morning, Judge.
How you doing today? Thank you for naming your device.
Thank you, ma'am. I'm doing great. Good to see you.
Good. It's good to see you too. All right, room 1. I'll send you there now. All right, Officer Maldonado, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Which case are you here on today, please?
For T. Turner.
Okay, and do I have 2 officers logging in from the same device? I've got also Jay Kokenower.
Oh, no, ma'am. I'm gonna change the name right now.
I got it. I'm just going to rename you for the client. So or for the citizen. What was the citizen's name again, please?
T. Turner.
T. Turner. Okay, thank you. I'm sorry, are you saying T like Tom Turner or P like Paul Turner?
T as in Tom.
Thank you. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and get you into breakout room number 1 so that you can meet with the city attorney.
All right, thank you, ma'am.
Uh-huh. Officer Bisco, good morning.
Good morning.
I'm going to go ahead and get you into room 1 so you can see the city attorney.
Thank you.
Uh-huh. I don't know what that means on Angel Thompson. Because he doesn't want me to put the terms of the plea, but then he's not putting them. Morning, sir. I don't see Angel Thompson on the docket. I saw her file. It says she's taking a plea, but I don't know what to. City Park. That's all it is? Yeah. Officer Jones, good morning. Please unmute. Let me know which case you're here on.
Good morning. I'm Pruitt.
Which Pruitt, please?
Tytisha.
Thank you. With a T?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. All right, I'm going to get you into breakout room number 1 so that you can meet with the city attorney. She'll be there shortly.
Okay, thank you.
Huh? Phone number ending in 7423. What is your name, please? Is she just
Dana
here for
Taylor?
I heard Taylor.
Hello?
What's the first name? Yes. What's your first name, please, Miss
Dana?
Taylor?
Dana, I'm a guy.
Okay, Mr. Taylor, thank you. Have you spoken with an attorney outside of court at all?
No.
I'm guilty, right? He said guilty. Please, okay.
One moment, please, Ms. Thompson.
Oh.
Okay, Ms. Taylor, sending you to a breakout room so that you can meet with an attorney. There is a wait. Please do not disconnect your device. They are coming, I promise. They know you're there. You're going to room 40. Please hit join. All right, I have Officer Delzocchio. Which case are you here on, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. Anthony Pinson.
Thank you. Mr. Pinson is here. I'm going to send you to breakout room number 1 so you can speak with the city attorney.
Thank you.
And then I have Officer Bajpai. I need to know which case you're here on, please.
Good morning.
I just have Turner, but I have a number of Turners. Hi, what's the first initial on Turner?
T. Turner.
Thank you. She is here. I'm going to send you to breakout room number 1 so you can meet with the city attorney.
Okay, thank you.
And then I have Officer James. Please unmute. I need to know which case you're here on.
How you doing? I'm here for Stacy Polk.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, there's some folks we need to move up to trial rooms because they are here. You're going to go to room 1, Officer James.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. For instance, Mr. Pinson. I keep trying to get him to room 8, but he's not going. Polk. Select mark officer here. Okay, I've got Polk, Pullen, Pruitt, Turner. Pullen. In 32. Is that Miss Turner?
Truett.
Truett is a trial. Okay. I'm wondering if I'm renaming some of these officers Pruitt when they should be named Truett.
The only officer that checked in on Truett was Jones. I don't know.
Oh, I really need these folks to look at their devices. I'm sorry, Miss Thompson. I'll be with you in just a moment. They're not watching the devices, and so I've got people sitting in rooms where they shouldn't be. Mr. Tutt, did the attorney discuss the offer with you?
No attorney kept coming. I kept pressing like the raise the hand button. I don't know if I was with
The attorney was there, right? He was there talking to you. Then because you were coming in and out, he was waiting for a while. He must have moved on. Go back to the room and wait because he's going to be expecting you to be there. Okay.
Okay. I'm sorry. I apologize.
No, it's okay. May I have the Dominique Tipton file, please, Madam Clerk, when you're ready? Corporal Kropick, good morning. Going to go ahead and get you into room 1. Good to see you this morning.
Good morning. Thank you.
Thank you. Calling ticket number P1846242, City versus Dominique Tipton. Ms. Tipton, good morning. Please state your name for the record.
Good morning, and Dominique Tipton.
Thank you, Ms. Tipton. Your sole charge is for registration. You've taken care of that. Defense counsel has reviewed it, asked me to dismiss on that basis. So I'm going to do that at this time. The ticket is dismissed. Have a great day.
Thank you. You too.
Okay, bye-bye. Officer Raynell, which case are you here on, please?
Good morning. I'm here on R, EARR.
All right, thank you. Going to get you into breakout room number 1 so that you can meet with the city attorney when soon as she returns. Okay,
Thank you very
then
much.
I have Darius Travis. Good morning. What do we have Mr. Travis here for? He is on
Good
the
morning.
8:30. Good morning.
Disregard officer signal.
Yep, I see it. Thank you. Mr. Travis, you're going into a breakout room. You're about an hour late, so there is a wait because that means
No,
a lot of people got here.
excuse me. I did talk to my attorney and everything, but I had lost
Oh.
connection.
Okay, good. And so what did you discuss with the attorney? What are you supposed to be doing?
Plea.
Okay. And so your plea is to 1 count of failure to display a valid license and then a 3-month delay on the disorderly conduct. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes, and I was trying to get a community service for that.
That's fine. All right, calling ticket number P1114353, P1376801, P1407797, all City versus Darius Travis. Mr. Travis, good morning again. Please state your name for the record.
Darius Travis.
Thank you, Mr. Travis. All right, so as we discussed, looks like you're doing a 3-month delay on the disorderly conduct. And then we have a failure to display on driving while license, not valid. Everything else is being dismissed. Is that all consistent with your understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody promise you anything that I don't know about today to get you to plead guilty today?
No, ma'am.
Anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Not, I didn't say I'm guilty, but
Okay, well, sir,
but
setting case for trial. This is the question.
okay.
This is a
Well,
guilty
yeah.
plea. Are you
Yes,
pleading
yes,
guilty because you are
yes,
guilty? Because you're going to
yes,
have to tell me what you did to be guilty. Do you understand?
yes, yes.
Thank you. Can we give Ms. Horn co-host, please? I don't have the ability for some reason. All right. Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Sir, is it true that on August 9th of 2022 in the area of East 7 Mile in Bradford, you were operating a vehicle in the city of Detroit and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. And then is it true that on November 22nd of 2022 in the area of West Chicago in Fitzpatrick, that you engaged in behavior which disturbed the peace of others around you? Mr. Travis, why don't you tell me what was disorderly about your conduct that day? I don't have a lot of time for back and forth.
And that's what I'm saying, because it was me and a group of my brothers we was at work and we went to the store right across the street and we was working on the police officers. He got a little sandwich shop off West Chicago where he remodeling and putting in the community, and we was doing the roof on there, and we just went to the store. We had a little dispute about money issues and the officer just rolled up.
When you had the dispute about money issues, was there
Yeah.
loud arguing?
It wasn't loud. It wasn't that loud. It was
What drew the attention of the police?
he felt like I was being I guess like wild or something, I guess.
Mr. Travis, the definition of disorderly conduct is that you engaged in conduct which would disturb the peace of others around you.
But
Now,
it was okay.
Mr. Travis, I'm not here to take guilty pleas from innocent people, so I don't need a whole lot of explanation. If you want to take cases to trial, you can take your cases to trial. If you'd like to talk about a no contest plea for some reason with the attorney, you can do that back in a breakout room. What I cannot do is hold a trial right now for you. This is not the appropriate time or place. So either you were engaging in conduct that would have disturbed the peace of others around you. Perhaps there was yelling, jostling about the money dispute. I don't know. Something drew the attention of the police.
All right.
Did you do that, or do you want to go to trial?
Yes, ma'am.
What did you do?
Engage in this verbal dispute.
Okay, thank you. I will accept your pleas as given. The other matters are dismissed. I'm going to calculate your community service.
And for the record, ma'am, I couldn't I couldn't get to that because I was already incarcerated. So I don't see how if I was already incarcerated when I had the disorderly conduct and when I had a whole court date and everything, I talked to the
Mr. Travis, I'm going to ask you one more time because now, just previously, you told me that you were at a gas station on this date, engaging in behavior. Stop, I'm still speaking. You told me that you were at the gas station and that there was a dispute about money, and that is what led to the disorderly conduct charge. Now, why are you telling me that you were incarcerated on that date?
No, not on that day. I'm talking about when when they gave me the ticket and I was supposed to show up to court. But when I was talking to the attorney for that on the outside,
okay.
You get what I'm
Nothing to
saying?
worry about. You don't have any warrants or anything, okay? So all you have now on each of the cases is 12 hours of community service, and I'm going to give you 90 days to get it done. Please get ready to take down a phone number right now. Let me know when you're ready.
Let me see your phone number. What is it, 1986? 1972? Oh. I'm ready.
What's going on with the Angel Thompson matter? Thank you. Ms. Thompson.
I'm ready.
Thompson. All right, get ready, Mr. Travis. Can you give Mr. Travis the number?
It's 313 965 965
Okay.
8130.
Okay, Mr. Travis, you need to come back and see me on June 25th at 8:30 in the morning so I can confirm that your community service is completed. You have 24 hours total, 12 on each ticket, okay?
Starting today?
Your 90 days, yes, starts today. So call that number and ask them for placement for the community service. You'll zoom back in here in 90 days pursuant to your delayed sentence on June 25th, 8:30 in the morning.
All right, thank you.
They're telling me you should call them Tuesday because they've got to update the system, okay?
All right, and
All right, have a good day.
Let me see, because you said June 25th?
Come back in by Zoom, June 25th, 8:30 in the morning to confirm that your community service
Okay,
is done.
I'm trying to remember so I can put it in my calendar real quick before I forget.
All right, I'm going to move on to the next matter.
Okay, thank you.
Angel Thompson, good morning. I'm calling ticket number
Good morning.
P189927, City versus Angel Thompson. Ms. Thompson, please state your name for the record.
Hi, good morning. My name is Angel Thompson.
Thank you, Ms. Thompson. I understand you're going to be pleading guilty as charged, but with a 3-month delayed sentence, meaning it'll go on your record initially, but will come off in the 90 days as long as you are compliant. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
I'm sorry, one more time.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes, I understand.
Please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm everything you're going to tell the court today is the truth?
Yes.
Ma'am, is the truth that on February 17th of 2026 in the area of Lasser and Rouge Park that you were in a city park after posted closing hours?
Yes, that's true.
Thank you. Your fine is $190. You have 60 days to get it paid in full beginning Monday, or see the cashiers on the first floor and start on a payment plan with them within the 60 days. As long as you do one of those two things, this deal remains intact. If you need to come back and see me because you pick up a similar ticket or you don't get it paid in the 90 days, the date to return would be June 25th at 8:30 a.m.
Okay.
All right, have a great day.
Is there a way that somebody will help me pay the ticket?
I don't know what you mean by that. What do you mean, would somebody help you pay the ticket?
Is there a website or?
You can go to the court's website starting next week, okay? Or you can come in and see the cashiers on the first floor.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. Have a great weekend.
You too.
Thank you. Tara, Corporal Spadell, I'm going to go ahead and get you into room 1. City attorney is already here.
All right.
All right. I have, let's see, Tara Phillips. Good morning. Please unmute Tara Phillips. Thank you. I need to get you unmuted, Miss Phillips. There we go. Good morning. Okay, call and ticket number P1529214. And all, Miss Phillips, you need to keep your camera on. I'm trying to do your plea. Thank you. Calling ticket number P1529214, City versus Tara Phillips, and all other related matters on today's docket to City versus Tara Phillips. Miss Phillips, good morning again. Please state your name for the record.
Tara Phillips.
Thank you. Appears you're going to be pleading guilty to 2 counts of reduced charge of failure to display a valid license. I'm sorry, 1 count of failure to display a valid license, 2 counts of improper plates. Nope. 2 failure to display 2 improper plates. Everything else would be dismissed. Is that all consistent with your understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No, ma'am.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
Do you understand
Yes,
that
ma'am.
you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Thank you. Please raise your right hand, swear or affirm everything you're going to tell the court today is the truth.
Everything I tell the court today is going to be the truth.
Thank you. Ma'am, is it true that on December 12th of 2023 in the area of Gratiot and French Road that you did not have proper plates on your vehicle due to a lack of registration?
Yes.
Is it also true that your plates were improper due to a lack of insurance?
Yes.
Is it also true that you were unable to display a valid license to the officer upon request at the time?
Yes.
Thank you. Is it also true, ma'am, that on October 18th of 2023 in the area of Moraine and Kelly that you were unable to display a valid license to the officer upon request when you were operating a vehicle?
Yes.
Thank you. And as to the December 12th, 2023 plea, you were operating a vehicle at that time as well. Is that correct?
Yes.
All right. Thank you. I'm about to tell you your fines. You'll be able to see them on the court's website as well next week so that you can get them paid. On your improper plate, the first one is 190. I can reduce the second one to 100 since it's on the same ticket, and I can reduce the failure to display on that ticket to 100 because it's on the same ticket. You have one other failure to display on a separate ticket. That one has to go back up to 190. All right, so 2 fines of 190, 2 fines of 100. I'm giving you 90 days to do one of 2 things. Either get them paid off in full or come see the cashiers at the courthouse to get on a longer term payment plan if you need one. As long as you do one of those 2 things before the 90 days runs out, your deal will remain in place. Okay, everything else for the record is dismissed.
Okay.
Have a great day.
You too.
Thank you. Bye-bye. All right, I've got Brian Powell. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
How are you this morning?
I'm all right. And yourself?
Good, thank you. Calling ticket number P1863442, City versus Brian Powell Jr. Also ticket 7583885, City versus Brian Powell Jr. State your name for the record, please, sir.
Brian Powell Jr.
Thank you. All right, looks like we are going to have a plea to 1 count of failure to display a valid license and then an admission to 1 to 5 over limited access, which is a 0-point ticket, taking you down from 4 points on the 16 to 20 over. Anything else would be dismissed. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Thank you. Please raise your right hand and swear or affirm everything you're going to tell the court today is the truth.
Yes.
Thank you. Sir, is it true that on February 9th of 2026 in the area of 7 Mile and Queen that you were operating a vehicle in the city of Detroit and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes.
Is it also true that you are admitting to going at least 1 to 5 over the posted speed limit at that time on the freeway?
Yes.
Thank you. All right. Your fine on the failure to display is 190. Your fine on the 1 to 5 over is 125. I'm giving you 90 days to do one of two things. Since you requested a payment plan, I'm giving you a little more time. Within the 90 days, you can pay this off in full starting next week. Don't try to pay it today. You can pay it in full starting next week, or you can get on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor by giving them a down payment. As long as you do one of those two things, your deal will remain in place, okay?
Okay.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you. You too.
Thank you. I had a dismissal for compliance here and they're gone. Do you remember who that was?
The file I just gave you.
Ms. Tompkins? Okay, calling for the record, P186-3180 and P186-3065, City versus Latricia Tompkins. Ms. Tompkins previously appeared in court. Her valid documents as to proper plates and expired plates were reviewed by defense counsel, who made a motion to dismiss the tickets on that basis. I'm granting that motion at this time. Both tickets are dismissed for compliance. All right, good morning to those of you who were just admitted. Welcome to traffic court. There is a wait to see the attorneys today, so please be patient as you wait for them. If you know that you need to gather documents to show them, like registration or insurance, please go ahead and gather those items together now. And that way you will have them when they get to the room. All right, do I have any officers in the courtroom? What's going on with DeQuan Thomas at 1:30? Can we?
Scheduled for 1:30.
What's he got? Does he have a bunch?
He has it in the park after.
Okay. Mr. Thomas, good morning. You're on the 1:30 docket today. All they were going to do is give you a date to come back. So DeQuan Thomas, I'm going to go ahead and give you that date now so you don't have to come back at 1:30. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. That date is going to be April the 10th at 8:35 a.m.
April 10th.
8:35 a.m. Yes, sir.
35. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we'll see you then. Have a good one. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Have a blessed day.
Thank you. All right, I have Mr. Prather. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
You were in a breakout room previously. Which one?
Yes, I think it was room 24. I was disconnected and I was trying to get back.
Okay. Did you get to speak with the attorney yet?
I haven't spoke with him. I believe I was in that waiting room
Okay.
when I got disconnected.
All right, I'm going to put you in 24, back in 24. Oh, shoot, they've passed 24 already. I'm going to have to put you in, oh, I hate to do that. I'm going to put you in 32, so you're not too far down the line, but if I put you in 24, it'll be forever. Go ahead and join room 32 for me. All right, phone number and on the iPhone with the locks. Good morning. Can you unmute for me and give me your name? Go ahead and unmute.
Good morning.
Hi, sir. What's your name?
Desmond Pullen.
Pullen, P-U-L-L-E-N?
Yes.
Okay, officers are here. I'm going to go ahead and get you into a breakout room. Have you spoken with an attorney outside of court at all?
No.
All right, going to get you into a breakout room. You'll see an attorney before we hear the matter. I'm going to put you in room 12. Go ahead and hit join. There is a wait. Please be patient. Nothing I can do about it. Go ahead to room 12. Okay. Thank you. Number ending in 6451. What's your name, please? Phone number ending in 6451. I need a name, please.
Malik Pruitt.
Thank you. Again, yes. All right, Mr. Pruitt. If this doesn't work, we're gonna have to come in.
The Zoom call, I kept losing signal while I was at work. They ended up giving me the phone number.
Hey, I'm not, Mr. Pruitt, I'm not mad about it. We got to have a way to address your ticket. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and get you into breakout room again. You're going to room 38. All right, and then Attorney Soroki, good morning. Your client is here. I don't have the ability. Can you make me co-host? I'm sorry. I mean, or host. Can you make me host? Because I don't have the ability to do what I need to do up here. Thank you. All right, Soroki, your client is now here. You are co-host. I think he's up around room 345, something like that.
Okay, very good. Thank you.
Thank you. All right, when you're ready, Madam Clerk, I'll take the Tolbert file and the Tut file, please.
I need, co-host.
Okay. Thank you. All right, Mr. Tut, did you have a chance to speak with your attorney?
Yes, I did.
And you guys discussed a plea?
He didn't say that. He said that everything was so old that he was about to talk to the prosecutor, and
Okay, well, why did you come back out?
I thought that was the end of it. I thought
No,
they would
if
come
he
back
said he was
here.
going to go talk to the prosecutor, then go back into your waiting room so he can come back and tell you what she says, okay?
My apologies again. I'm sorry.
That's okay. It's all right.
Okay.
Okay, Mario Tolbert, good morning to you, sir.
Good morning, Your Honor.
All right, I've got ticket number P1862156, City versus Mario Tolbert. Please state your name for the record, sir.
Mario Devon Tolbert.
Thank you, Mr. Tolbert. Your sole charges are registration and insurance. Defense counsel has reviewed those valid documents and made a motion to dismiss both on your behalf. Oh, looks like we were just here a couple days ago, so good job bringing those things back into us. Thank you very much. I'm going to go ahead and grant the motion to dismiss at this time. Both tickets are dismissed. Have a great day.
Thank you so much, Your Honor. Have a great day.
Have a good one. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Righty, there we go. Terrell Parker. Okay, I'm confused. All right, Terrell Parker, good morning. Mr. Parker here for trial.
Good morning.
Good morning. Thank you. All right, sir, I'm going to get you into a breakout room to meet with an attorney.
Thank you.
There is a wait. Please be patient. If you know you need to show proof of things like registration, insurance, etc., go ahead and gather those items now. You're going to room 41. Please hit join. So now I can't tell looking at the breakout rooms like room 4. What are we doing? Is that the offer? Oh, that's Tamika going through, putting the offers there, I believe.
If you want to, we can do Jerry Purcell, the officers.
No appearance.
Swartz. Swartz.
Okay, go ahead and get him out. Thank you. Mr. Purcell, good morning. We're going to go ahead and call your matter. Are you ready on Mr. Perry as well, Attorney Soroki?
Yes, I am, Your Honor.
Right, he's here too. All right, I'm going to get Mr. Purcell called. Good morning. We have ticket number P1549691 and P1523080. Both are City versus Jerry Purcell. Mr. Purcell, please state your name for the record.
Jerry Purcell.
Thank you. Mr. Purcell, Officer Alderwish appeared on ticket ending in 3080, stated he had no recall of the event, so that one is being dismissed with prejudice. And then Officer Swartz was subpoenaed for trial today at 9:30 a.m., has not appeared or contacted the court. The time is now 10:03 a.m. Tompkins, would you just check the furlough or sick list, please, for Officer Swartz before I do that dismissal?
No officer swears not.
All right, thank you. Officer not being found on the list. That one is going to be dismissed without prejudice for the officer's failure to appear, sir. That means that they refile it in the future, but it's not the norm. If they did, you'd come back here and see me and we'd start over. But these are both dismissed at this time. Okay, have a great day.
You too.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Officer Del Zocchio, were you already in with city attorney? All right, calling ticket number P1815731, City versus Omer Perry. Attorney Soroki.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alan Soroki, P37441, up here on behalf of the defendant. What's your full name for the record, sir?
Omer Perry.
Can you turn on your camera, please, Mr. Perry?
Thank you. All right, I've got a no insurance and an open alcohol motor vehicle.
Yes, Your Honor. Defendant's requesting a bench trial by Zoom in this matter.
Thank you. Bench trial will be set for April 17th at 9:30 a.m. if that works for you, Attorney Soroki.
That's fine, Your Honor. At 9:30?
Yep, 9:30
Okay, trial. And is that by Zoom or in person?
by Zoom.
Trial. Okay, very good. All right. You get that information, Mr. Perry?
Yeah, April 17th, what, 9:30?
Yes.
Yep, make
Okay.
sure you're on time, please. The
Okay.
officers will be subpoenaed, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. I'll be
Have a
in
great
touch
day.
with you. Have a good day, everyone. Thank you. Have a good weekend.
You too. Thank you.
Thank you.
Madam Clerk, ready on Tony Terrell when you're ready.
Hello?
Yes, Ms. Terrell.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Calling tickets number P1868898 and 13498-646 and 13498. Oh, sorry, that's a repeat. 498-646. City versus Tony Terrell. Please state your name for the record. Tony Terrell.
Tony Terrell.
Thank you. I understand you're going to be pleading guilty to one count of a reduced charge of failure to display a license, with everything else being dismissed. Is that all consistent with your understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
I'm sorry, can you say that? Repeat that again. I'm sorry.
Did anybody promise you anything I don't know about to get you to plead guilty today?
Oh, no, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Please raise your right hand, swear or affirm everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, is it true that on February 17th of 2026 at East Lafayette and Shane, you were operating a motor vehicle in the city of Detroit and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
That's correct. Yes.
Thank you. Your fine is $190. I'm giving you 60 days to do one of two things. Pay the fine in full on the website or in person on the first floor, or see the cashiers on the first floor and start on a payment plan by giving them a down payment. As long as you do one of those two things within the next 60 days, this deal remains in place. Okay?
Okay. You said $190.
$190.
Okay.
Dismissed. Have a good day.
Okay. Thank you very much.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
You're welcome. Officer Del Zocchio, you came out, I think. Are you ready on something on Pinson?
Well, I was just seeing what the status was.
Oh, city attorney is here, so I'm hoping she's spoken to all of you. I don't know anything yet, so.
Okay, I was just waiting out here till the case was called. That's what I was doing. So.
Okay, that's fine. But it gets confusing for me. If you want to watch,
I
you
got
can, but feel free to hang out in room 1. All right. I got Dupree here. Who's Dupree here on?
Thompson in 37. I don't know where he went though.
He's in talking with Tamika. I'm gonna move her up since he's got it. I'll move her up to 7. Hopefully she'll see that. Bless you. All right, let's see what else we have here. So I have Marquila Payne. I'm going to move her back out because they're saying they had no answer. What's Marquila Payne charged with? She has failure to display and a seatbelt ticket. They'll have to come back to her, I guess. All right. Okay, it looks like we're going to be ready next on Herbert Tripp. Limited access what? On Tripp. 1 to 5. Okay. So Tripp is going to be ready next. Thank you. All right. Mr. Powell, good morning to you.
Good morning.
All right. City attorney and defense counsel have agreed that you can enter a no contest plea in your matter. Looks like you're going to be doing that with a 3-month delayed sentence. Is that correct?
Correct.
Thank you. We'll be using your actual ticket to establish the factual basis. Calling ticket number P1176662, City versus William Powell. Mr. Powell, state your name for the record, please.
William Powell.
Thank you, Mr. Powell. As stated, that is the plea agreement, no contest, 3-month delayed sentence. So it'll come off the record in 3 months as long as you get it paid and don't pick up any similar tickets. Mr. Powell, what is going on in your background? Are you driving, moving?
I thought I was at court. I thought the court was in. I'm just leaving 36. I'm in a lift.
I'm sorry. You could have come into the courtroom. That's okay. All right, sir. Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead no contest today? No? Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading no contest today?
Yes, I am.
All right, thank you. And this was back in 2021. Is that because you can't remember exactly what happened back in 2021?
Yes.
Thank you. For the record, the ticket notes disorderly person yelling, screaming, using profanities in public inside CVS location on East Jefferson Street. Court will accept the no contest plea on that basis with a 3-month delay. Sir?
Yes.
Your fine is going to be $190. You have 3 months to get that paid.
All right.
All right. As long as you get it paid within the 3 months, as long as you get it paid in the 3 months and don't pick up any similar tickets to this, then this will come off of your record in 90 days. If you pick up another ticket or you don't get it paid in 90 days, you have to come back and see me in 90 days on June the 25th. Okay?
Understood. Now, time to ask questions.
Yes, go ahead, Mr. Powell. Quickly, please.
My fines wouldn't qualify for the amnesty program.
This is part of the amnesty program, sir, that you still have to pay a fine. Are you experiencing homelessness or housing instability?
Yeah. And Mr.
Powell, would you like to participate in street court where they might be able to help you find housing and you won't have to pay the ticket?
Yeah.
All right. I'll put you down for street court then, okay? So plea is vacated, withdrawn. Please get ready to take down this number for street court. You're going to need to call them to start the program.
Okay. Use a pen right quick.
Okay. Well, you let me know when you have a pen. I'm going to call another matter, which is P1110104, City versus Troy Tutt, and all other related matters on today's docket to City versus Troy Tutt. Mr. Tutt, please state your name for the record.
Troy Henry Tutt Jr.
Thank you. All right. Looks like you hit the jackpot today. City has agreed to dismiss all of these tickets. Congratulations to you.
Thank you. So with that, I have no warrant, anything like that. I'm good with Detroit, right?
Good with Detroit.
Thank
All
you
right.
so
Hopefully
much.
this will help you take care of matters in other areas if you need to. All right. Have a good day.
You too. Have a blessed day.
All right. Good weekend. Bye-bye.
And Your Honor, I just want to check on any capious matters if the court is ready.
Okay. Give me a minute. Let me get Dupree and out of here. Mr. Powell, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. What's that phone number, Madam Clerk?
The number is 313
Uh-huh.
355
Yes.
4460.
4460.
You need to
thank-
call, get started with their program. They'll give you some help. Okay.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too.
And the Shantae file when you're ready, please. Thank you. Calling ticket number SP 183-48421 and all other related matters on today's docket to City versus Shantae Thomason. Attorney Dupree, your appearance, please.
Matthew Dupree, PA 0132 for the defendant. Your name, please, ma'am.
Shantae Thomason.
Thank you. Attorney Dupree.
Judge, we've reached a proposed resolution in this matter in which the defendant would plead guilty to discharge of a firearm. There would be a proposal for a 3-month delayed sentence. The no insurance matter would be dismissed for plea. We would ask the court to adopt this proposed resolution.
Thank you, Ms. Thomason. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
Has anyone else promised you anything that I don't know about to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Anyone forced, threatened, or coerced you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
The counsel advised you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Thank you. Please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth?
Yes.
Ma'am, is it true that on January 1st of 2026 in the area of Intervale and Ardmore that you discharged a firearm within the city limits?
Yes.
Thank you. Your fine is $190 and you have 90 days to get it paid because this is a 3-month delayed sentence. As long as you get it paid in the 90 days and don't get any similar charges, this will be dismissed and taken off of your record at the end of that period. If you're not able to get it paid in full or you do pick up a similar ticket, then you're going to need to come back and see me in 90 days, which would be June 25th at 8:30 a.m.
Okay.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Thank you.
Thank you, Your
Thank you. Thank you, Attorney Dupree. Calling ticket number P1237150, City versus Sharday Teal. Ms. Teal, please unmute. State your name for the record.
My name is Sharday Teal.
Thank you. Defense counsel has reviewed your valid insurance documentation, made a motion to dismiss your tickets on that basis, which I am happy to grant. Your tickets are dismissed. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Thank you. Mr. Tripp, I'll be right with you. Ms. Horn?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. What did you want to do?
Just checking if the 3 following defendants have checked in today.
Okay, I'm going to have to use the participant feature. Do you know how to do that when you look at the breakout rooms, click on participants, and then you can simply run their names. I can help you do that too, but just so you know, you can do it.
I've done that, Your Honor. I just want to confirm with the court if I may release the officers.
Okay, very good. Yeah, if you're not seeing them here, we haven't heard from them. You may release those officers.
Okay.
Just remind me of the names somehow at some point so we can make sure that those capiouses are done.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. All right, now we have Herbert Tripp. Good morning, Mr. Tripp. Go ahead and unmute for me, please. And we are calling ticket numbers P1869180 and P1868873 and P1868856. All of these are City versus Herbert Tripp. Mr. Tripp, please unmute, activate your camera, and state your name.
Herbert Tripp.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Tripp, looks like you're going to be pleading responsible to defective equipment and then admitting guilt to and then pleading responsible to 1 to 5 over speed limited access, which is a civil infraction at 0 points. Everything else would be dismissed. Is that all consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
No.
I'm sorry, these are admissions of responsibility because they are civil infractions, okay? Please raise your right hand, swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell the court today is the truth.
Yes.
Thank you. Sir, is it true that on February 18th of 2026, in the area of Curtis and San Juan, you were operating a vehicle with improperly tinted windows?
Yes.
Thank you. Is it also true, sir, that on February 18th, that same date, same location, that you failed to stop for a stop sign, which we are amending to 1 to 5 over limited access so that you get 0 points?
I stopped. I know the area.
I'm not, listen, this is, you can have a hearing on this if you wish to do so. You were sent out with a plea arrangement. I was told that that's what you wish to do. If not, that's okay. We can set it for hearing. They've reduced the failure to stop to a 1 to 5 over limited access. So you must admit to one of two things to do this. You must either be willing to admit that you failed to stop completely for the stop sign. In Michigan, that means all 4 wheels must come to a complete stop. Or you may admit that you were going at least 1 to 5 over the posted speed limit. Are you admitting to one of those two things?
Yes, Your Honor.
Which one are you admitting to?
1 to 5 over the speed limit.
All right, gotcha. And that's going in as a limited access ticket so that it's 0 points, okay?
Okay.
All right. So on your 1 to 5 over, that one is $125. And then defective equipment, is that
120.
That's what I thought. Okay, and then on your defective equipment, that one's going to be $120. So 125 and 120, I'm giving you 60 days to do one of two things. That is, you may pay them in full online through the court's website or with the cashiers on the first floor starting next week. Don't try to do it today. Or you may come to the first floor of the courthouse and start on a payment plan by giving the cashiers a down payment. As long as you do one of those two things within the next 60 days, your deal will remain in place, okay?
Okay.
All right, have a wonderful day, wonderful weekend.
Thank
you. You are welcome. All right, Dana Taylor, good morning. Please go ahead and unmute your device, turn on your camera.
Can you come unlock your phone real quick?
Oh, that's okay.
Can you unlock
That's
your
okay.
phone? I need the
Don't-
camera.
Miss Taylor, it's okay. 'Cause I
Unlock your
can
phone.
see. Wait, Miss Taylor?
It's Mr.
Mr. Taylor, sorry about that, the Dana. Okay. I don't need you to do that. I'm fine. Okay.
Okay.
I don't know what he's pleading to. I don't have it in the, all right, let me see what your plea deal is. It's time for Dana Taylor. There we go. All right, Mr. Taylor, it looks like you're going to be pleading guilty to 1 count of failure to display a valid license, 2 counts of improper plates, 1 count of open alcohol passenger, and everything else would be dismissed. Is that all consistent with your understanding?
Yes, but for the alcohol, I want to plead no contest.
Okay, that's fine. Thank you. Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty? Except for the open alcohol,
Yes.
that one will be, okay. And are all of these, are you wishing to enter a no contest plea on all of these or just on the open alcohol?
The open alcohol.
All right, thank you. And did anyone promise you anything to get you to plead guilty to those things or no contest? That I
No.
don't know about today. Okay. Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into these pleas?
No.
On the guilty pleas, are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Thank you. One moment, please. And the reason for the no contest plea on your open alcohol is lack of memory. You don't remember because it was from 2021.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. We're going to use the ticket as the factual basis for your no contest plea. All right. That's on the open
Okay.
alcohol, which will be amended to open alcohol passenger. Please raise your right hand, sir. Swear affirm everything you're going to tell the court today is the truth. Mr. Taylor, I just need you to
Yes.
verbally swear to tell the truth, please.
Yes, I verbally swear to tell the truth.
Thank you. Sir, is it true that on September 28th of 2020 in the area of East 7 Mile and Van Dyke that you operated a vehicle in the city of Detroit without proper plates due to a lack of registration?
Yes.
Thank you. All right, those will both go on the same ticket. I'm going to take your plea as to both counts on that one. That'll allow me to reduce the amount that you have to pay. Then, sir, is it also true that on June 24th of 2021 in the area of Biltmore and Hessel that you were operating a vehicle in the city of Detroit and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes.
Thank you. In terms of your no contest plea, I will use the face of the ticket to establish the factual basis. Ticket noting that there was an open container of Don Julio alcohol, 1/4 full. All right. So here are your fines. On your improper plates, the first one is 190. The second one is 100. On your failure to display, that one is going to be 100. And then the open alcohol passenger will be 190. So you have 2 fines of 190, 2 fines of 100. I'm giving you 90 days to do one of 2 things. Get these paid in full through the court's website or by coming in person to the first courthouse, or start on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor by giving them a down payment. For the record, all of your other matters are dismissed, and as long as you do one of those 2 things within the next 90 days, things will stay that way. Your deal will remain intact, okay?
Okay.
All right, have a great weekend, sir. Don't try to pay
Same
before
to
next
you.
week. We need to update the system.
Okay.
All right, have a great weekend. Thank you. Bye-bye. Okay. Terrell Parker, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you today, sir? Leave that file when you're ready.
I'm fine.
Thank you. All right, Terrell Parker. Mr. Parker, it looks like you are going to be pleading guilty to 1 count of failure to display, 1 to 5 over limited access, 2 other matters being dismissed. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
For the record, this is ticket number P1869162, P1869161, and P1286858, and all other related matters on today's docket. 2 City versus Terrell Parker. Mr. Parker, please state your name for the record.
Terrell Parker.
Thank you. Mr. Parker has just discussed 1 count of failure to display, 1 to 5 over limited access, which is 0 points, dismissal of 2 other charges. That's consistent with your understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No, ma'am.
Anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Please raise your right hand, swear affirm everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
I swear.
Thank you. Please start your video if you're able to. Is it true, sir, that on February 18th of 2026 in the area of West Outer Drive in Sussex that you operated a vehicle in the city of Detroit and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. You also have the matter of your ticket ending in 9161 alleging that you were doing 16 to 20 miles per hour over the posted speed limit at Outer Drive in Sussex on February 18th of 2026. You are admitting on that one to 1 to 5 over limited access speed. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. All right. Here are your fines. On your failure to display, That one is going to be $190. And then on your 1 to 5 over limited access, that one's going to be $125. Your other matters are dismissed. You have 60 days to get these paid or to see the cashiers on the first floor of the courthouse for a longer term payment plan. As long as you either pay them off or get on the payment plan within 60 days, your deal remains in place. Okay.
Okay.
Have a great weekend.
You too. Thank you.
Bye-bye. Thank you. Okay, I have Ms. Tobar. Let's get you unmuted, please. Jacqueline Tobar, ticket number P186-882-164-0612. Good morning, ma'am. How are you today?
I'm good. And yourself?
Good. Just state your name for the record, please.
Jacqueline Tobar.
Thank you. Defense counsel is requesting an adjourned pretrial, which I will grant. We're going to reset you for April 10th at 8:35 a.m.
Okay.
All right. We will see you then.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye.
And then I have Mr. Parr. Good morning, Mr. Parr, calling ticket number P1858677 and all other related matters to City versus Kent Parr. Mr. Parr, please state your name for the record.
Kent Parr.
Thank you. Mr. Parr, looks like they're going to have you just admit to speeding 11 to 15 over, and they are dismissing 9 other matters. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
Okay. I'm going to ask you please to raise your right hand and swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Okay.
Thank you. I just need you to say, I swear to tell the truth. Mr. Parr, do you swear to tell the truth?
Yes.
Thank you. All right. So let's see where we're going to put this one. There we go. All right. So is it true, sir, that on January 28th of 2026 in the area of East Outer Drive in Barham, you were doing at least 11 to 15 miles per hour over the posted speed limit?
Yes.
Thank you. States you were doing 50 and a 35. All right. I will accept your admission there. That one is 145, 11 to 15, 125, 6 to 10 is 130. Should be 145, $145.
Okay.
You have 60 days. Within the 60 days, either get it paid in full. You can do that on the court's website or by coming to see the cashiers on the first floor. Oh, thank you.
Okay.
Sorry, that's 150, not 145. Thank you, Madam Clerk. 150, 60 days. If you can't pay the full 160 with 150 within the 60 days, you can come see the cashiers on the first floor, ask them for an extended payment plan and make the down payment. As long as you do that within the 60 days, your deal remains in place. Okay?
Okay.
Have a great day.
Thank you.
You are welcome. Bye-bye. All right, let's see what else we got going here. Sure. Thank you. Ms. Pruitt, good morning.
Good morning.
Jasmine, good morning, ma'am. We're looking and we don't see you on the docket, but we can see that you had a court date, I guess, back in June that you missed. So you got some warrants and we can get rid of those warrants and give you another date to come back. But we don't have a file on you because we don't have you on the docket for today. So we'll clear your warrants for you and then I'll have you come back. You want to come back April 10th?
Yes, but the thing is, I just was there. I paid off my tickets on last Friday, and they gave me this docket for today at 1 p.m.
Oh, at 1. Well, you're very early. Let's see. Maybe you are on the 1:30 docket. That's still been what we would do is give you a date to come back. So we still need you to come back April 10th at 8:35 a.m. We don't have the file up here for the 1:30 docket, okay?
Okay.
Hold on one second.
Yes, her name is J-A-Z.
Yes, it's JAZMINE.
That I found.
Oh, okay.
When I found I have J-A-S.
Okay, so let's check our 1:30 docket and see. So your name is JAZMINE?
Yes. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
All right, let's take a look at this.
Unregistered untitled vehicle.
That's it?
Yes.
Have you updated your registration, Ms. Pruitt?
No, not yet, because the car was
that's okay.
taken.
That's okay. I'm gonna have to, we need to have you come back because you need to speak with an attorney, but I need to have the file. So come back April 10th at 8:35 a.m. That way the attorney will have the file. If you have registration at that time, great. Even if it's for a different, your next vehicle that you're driving now, you can show that, okay? And then it would get dismissed if you have valid registration. April the 10th, 8:35 a.m.
April 10th, 8:45. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day. Bye-bye.
You too. Bye.
All right, I've got Mr. Prather, who looks like he's going to get a pretrial date. Good morning, Mr. Prather, again.
Good morning, Your Honor.
All right, so we have tickets P1867344, P1588770, and P1588757, and all other related matters on today's docket. 2 City versus Hayward. Prather, state your name, please, Mr. Prather.
Hayward Prather.
All right, we're going to have you come back for another pretrial date. That's going to be April 10th at 8:35 a.m.
April 10th, 8:35 a.m.
Yep.
All right.
Have a great day.
All right. Thank you. Have a good one.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
All right, Madam Clerk, I'm doing it so that I am with his. Yeah, with Prather. So I wrote it on the inside of the folder there. Is that okay? If you want me to write on the outside, I can.
It's fine.
That's okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Very good. Thank you. What's going on with Malik Pruitt? He's down in 38 now. So hopefully
Yeah,
Mr.
that's
Walling is getting to him. Have I done pull-in or polk or par?
You did par.
That's what I thought. That's Officer Ray now. I need to remember. I didn't know they were here for trial. I've not done Pinson, right?
No.
But I did pull-in.
No, Fulham is in 12.
I did par.
Yeah.
Okay, that's the only one.
Only one person didn't appear for trial, and that's last name Turner. I think it was. Yeah.
She's here, isn't she? I think she's here. I feel like she came in.
We have Tanita,
I may be misspelling because I'm rushing, but
Mariah.
Ms. Payne, good morning.
Good morning.
All right, how you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. Let's get you on out of here. Okay, I've got ticket numbers P130615 and all other related matters on today's docket to City versus Marquila Payne. Ms. Payne, please state your name for the record.
Marquila Payne.
Thank you. I understand you're going to be admitting to the seatbelt ticket, which is no points, just $65, and then pleading to charge of failure to display a valid operator's license. Everything else would be dismissed. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial? Can you tell me what's going on with these?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you. Please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes,
Thank
it
you.
is.
Not you, Mr. Purity. Please wait. Ms. Payne, I just need you to swear to tell the truth, please.
I do.
Thank you. You can put your hand down. Ms. Payne, is it true that on February 5th of 2026 in the city of Detroit at the Lodge Service Drive in West Grand Boulevard, you were operating a vehicle and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes, it's true.
Thank you. You're also admitting to the violation of the seatbelt law on that same date and location. Is that correct? Not wearing a seatbelt?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. All right, on your failure to display, that fine is $190. On the seatbelt ticket, it's $65. Give me 1 second, would you? All in default. Okay, thank you. $190 and $165. Now, I do need to make you aware that you have a couple of civil infractions that have gone into default. Not a big deal because they don't put points on your license. You just need to pay them off over time. Okay. And that's for like registration and no proof of insurance, expired plates. So those went into default back in 2022. So you can deal with those with the cashier. 190 and 65, 60 days. Within the 60 days, do one of two things. Don't try to do it today. Wait till next week. You may pay the fines in full, or you may come see the cashiers on the first floor of the courthouse and get into a payment plan with them. As long as you give them the down payment within the next 60 days, your deal remains in place. Okay.
Okay. So the other,
all right.
other tickets you were talking about that you said she'll let me know what they are and how much they are when I go.
They are for expired plates, no valid registration, and no proof of insurance. Can we remove late fees on those?
They're already removed.
Okay, for amnesty week. Okay, so we've removed the late fees and everything on those. Okay, I don't know exactly what the fine is, but you can talk with the cashier about that when you talk to them about your payment on the other ones. Okay.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Have a wonderful day. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Judge.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
All right, now, Mr. Purity.
Yes.
All right, let's get you going. We've got ticket number P1865873, City versus Gerald Purify. Sir, please state your name for the record. Purify. Thank you, Mr.
Gerald Purify.
Thank you. All right, thank you. Mr. Purify, you have one count of no insurance. You're getting an adjournment. If you come back with insurance, this case is likely to get dismissed, okay?
Okay.
We'll adjourn it to April 10th at 8:35 a.m.
I appreciate you.
We'll see you then. Have a good day.
Thank you very much.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
He's got expired plates. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Is it one of those where that's got the weird kind of expiration on it?
No, and I did call about that.
Okay, we can talk about that off the record.
Yeah, but his is expired.
Okay. There's somebody in the waiting room. What's that chime? I don't see anyone there. Okay. All right, Attorney Johnson is working trial rooms. They're asking for an SOS. Maybe she had it already.
I already sent it to.
Thank
Attorney
you.
Johnson.
Okay, thank you. How you doing, Compton?
I'm doing fine.
Okay. How you doing? Yeah, okay. Ms. Pillar, how you doing over there? Uh-oh.
Doing great, Your Honor. How about you?
Okay, I'm good. I can't get Raynald to come out though, and I've been trying to bring him out. Because PAR is done. Walling is in with Pinson. Johnson is in with Truitt. I don't recall anyone showing up for Adam Taylor.
Yeah.
No, we'll bring him out. I mean, if we haven't heard from him, we can't do this with every case, chasing down the city attorney and, either they've checked into the courtroom or they haven't. Mr. Taylor, good morning. Adam Taylor, good morning. Is he not connected to audio? Adam Taylor. Now you are muted. Need you to unmute.
Good morning. How you doing?
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
I'm all right.
Did we run an SOS on Mr. Taylor? Can you run it, please? Let me know what you see. All right, Mr. Taylor, I'm going to call your matters because the officers who were subpoenaed to appear today did not appear. So they're going to be dismissed. Okay.
Okay.
All right, I've got P185-7439, P185-7440. Both of these are City versus Adam Taylor Jr. Sir, please state your name for the record.
Adam Taylor Jr.
Thank you. Did you have anything today, like registration, insurance, etc.?
Okay. No, I had my driving test set for today, and I had
Okay. It's just a difference between dismissing them with prejudice, meaning they won't get refiled ever, or without prejudice, meaning they could get refiled in the future. Okay. So what I'm going to do at this time is the officers have failed to appear. The officer who was subpoenaed was to appear at 9:30. It's now 10:48. So I'm going to go ahead and dismiss these at this time without prejudice. Without prejudice means they could refile it at a later date. It's not the norm, but it does sometimes happen. If it happens and you happen to have your registration and insurance and your license all worked out by then, that will be helpful. Okay.
Okay.
But as for now, they are all dismissed for no officer present. Have a great weekend.
You too. Appreciate you.
All right. Bye-bye. What? Oh, okay. All right. Well, I think we're about done with it, right? Oh, but you're waiting on. Oh, never mind. I'm so sorry. Because he said he's still got to do it. So, right?
Yeah. Once he said that,
Yeah. Won't really matter. Thank you. And thank you for catching that. So he wasn't sitting any longer.
I ran last time.
All right, here we go with Taraya Truitt. Bring the officers out. Do we have a Pruitt here for trial as well, or just Truitt?
Just true.
Okay, so this person is misnamed. Thank you, this officer. Ms. Truitt will be right with you, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Just trying to get the officers out here. I think some of them have gotten involved in other matters. Okay, so calling ticket number P1843046, P1843031. These are both city versus, is it Taraya Truitt?
Yes, ma'am, Taria.
Taraya Truitt. Good morning. Thank you for the name correction. All right. Go ahead and just state your name for the record one more time.
My name is Taria Truitt.
Thank you. Officer Jones, please state your name, badge number for the record.
Officer Jones, badge 3590.
Thank you. Ms. Truitt, it appears you're going to be pleading no contest with a 3-month delayed sentence on the open alcohol matter. Attorney Johnson, are you working with Ms. Truitt?
That is correct, Your Honor, yes.
Thank you. Your appearance, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Rodney Johnson, P78121, appearing with Ms. Truitt.
Thank you. And I understand Ms. Truitt is going to be pleading no contest with a 3-month delay. I'm assuming that's on the open alcohol matter?
That is correct, for lack of recollection, Your Honor.
Thank you. And is that remaining as a open alcohol driver?
Open alcohol as a passenger amendment.
Amended. Okay, thank you. And then everything else is being dismissed for valid documentation. Ms. Truitt, is that all consistent with your understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. And did anyone promise you anything else that I don't know about to get you to plead no contest today?
No, they didn't.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into making this plea today?
No, ma'am.
And you understand that a no contest plea has the same effects as a guilty plea in terms of something going on your record, any fines, costs, et cetera, that you would have to pay?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth. Just need a verbal answer, please.
Everything I'm going to tell you today is the truth.
Thank you. Ma'am, is it true that on December 15th, I'm sorry, we are going to do a no contest plea? Attorney Johnson, the reason for the no contest plea here?
Again, that's for lack of recollection, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir. And are we going to use the face of the ticket for the factual basis?
Please use the face of the ticket to establish a factual basis.
Thank you. For the record, the remarks on the ticket ending in 3031 indicate that there was a bottle of E&J Grand Blue VSOP brandy under the passenger seat. All right. No contest plea is accepted. Ms. Truitt, your fine is going to be $190.
Okay.
As long as you get that paid within 90 days, don't try to pay anything today, wait until next week. But as long as you get it paid off within 90 days, you don't get any similar tickets to this, you don't have to come back and see me anymore. If, however, you do not get it fully paid or you pick up a similar ticket, then you're going to have to come back and see me in 90 days, which would be June the 25th at 8:30 in the morning. Okay, but otherwise, if you get your $190 paid, don't get any more tickets like this. We'll pull it up and dismiss it from your record in 90 days. Okay?
Okay. Judge, I wanted to ask you a question.
Okay, Attorney Johnson,
Hi, Your Honor. Yes. And so I did, because I wasn't sure if I was going to be in here, and I did go over the best of my abilities to try to answer the question from Ms. Truitt. And it's really, I didn't believe the court, one, had jurisdiction, but her car was impounded because of this offense. And she wanted to see if the court had jurisdiction to waive any of the costs associated with the tow company or impoundment. Is that correct?
No, I'm
Ms. Truitt?
sorry, Ms. Truitt. I don't have the ability to do that. And I know it's terrible because I just went through it myself. So I wish I did, but we don't. Otherwise, I would have gotten some help for myself too. So I apologize that I can't do it, but I cannot do it. There is, I understand, somewhere a forfeiture docket, and there's a help desk on the first floor. So if you want to come down to the courthouse and go to the help desk, they may be able to direct you in terms of anything that you could file, anything like that, to try to address the towing issue. But I do not have any jurisdiction over that at this time.
Okay.
All right. Have a great day, ma'am. Great weekend. I hope things get better for you.
You too. Thank you.
All right. Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay. Thank you, Attorney Johnson. And let's see, everything else is even. Would you mind checking in with Tanita Perry? That seems like an easy one. It's just a blockading. Officer Jones, thank you for your appearance.
Yep,
Okay,
no problem.
Which one was that, Your Honor? I'm sorry.
Room 4, Tanita Perry. They're offering her blockading dismissal of everything else.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I only have been here because somebody disappeared out of room 12. I don't know.
Good morning on the iPhone. May I get a name, please?
Yes, good morning. This is Desmond Pullen. I somehow got kicked out of the side room.
That's okay. That's okay. You were in room 12.
Yes,
All right. I'll get you back in there.
thank you.
Where did he go? Why can't I see him? There we go. All right. Sending you to room 12. Go ahead and hit join for me. It's loud in the hallway. Oh, that's just another courtroom. I know I feel like I'm yelling half the time too. Who's that? Hmm? Oh, it's okay. I mean, they're not bothering me. I'm just like, oh, it's loud. I don't think they're interfering with our record as long as our court reporter can hear. I'm fine. Bless you.
Yeah, thank you.
May I have the Tanita Perry file? I don't know why I have this file up here. I need to figure that out.
What's the name?
Daryl Phillips. Okay. Corporal Spadell, good morning to you. Corporal Spadell, if you can hear me.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right, you were here on Truitt. I was trying to bring you out because she took the plea. So I'll just go ahead and have you state your name and badge number for the record. That was the last case I did, so I won't recall it. Just go ahead and state your name and badge number.
Corporal Spidell, badge 402, Detroit Police Department.
All right, thank you, Corporal Spidell, for your appearance today. Have a great weekend.
Thank you. You as well.
Thank you. He still got his device on in room 1. I thought that when I sent Attorney Johnson to was going to be easy, but looks like it's not. Mhm. Yeah. I'm worried about Malik Pruitt down here. Does he have an offer? Yeah, does he have an offer? Let's take a look at the offer sheet.
We have one bill to display.
Waiting to break all.
I think he has tickets and default.
You know, it is gonna be today.
He has
Today
like
is
three
a so-called.
tickets to the windows and traffic registration.
When are they from?
2025 September.
So you said that it's tinted windows, registration.
Expired plates. They're in default. He has. Oh, I'm sorry, Your Honor. She, the way she drew the line, I thought he only had two cases. He actually has three. So it's for two failed to display. So it's the insurance. That's what she wrote. Unless she drew the line.
I'll take a look at it. Give me just a second to make sure he's properly named.
Okay.
I'm just interested in where the noise is coming from. Okay. Tanita Perry is ready. Tompkins, would you make sure that that's not in the hallway? If it is the hallway, would you ask them to please quiet down a
I think
bit?
that's next door.
Okay. A lot of yelling going on. Good morning, Ms. Perry.
Good morning.
Looks like you're going to admit responsibility to blockading traffic, which is a 0-point offense that doesn't go on your insurance. The other count is going to be dismissed. Is that correct?
That is correct.
Okay, thank you. I'm just trying to get the officer out here. Okay, calling ticket number P185-8653, City versus Tanita Perry, as well as P185-8648. The first one is for no insurance. The second one is failure to stop for a stop sign. Looks like we're going to be dismissing the no insurance upon your admission of responsibility to blockading traffic, which does save you points and it doesn't go on your record. You wish to avail yourself of the offer to the blockading traffic, Ms. Perry? Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
just state your name one more time and then raise your right hand, please. Other right hand, please.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's okay. It's hard for me to remember too, because it's like looking in a mirror at the screen.
Right.
Okay, I just need you to swear to tell the truth today, please.
I swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
Very good, thank you. All right, so I have on January 27th of 2026 in the area of Linden and Terry, you are admitting to what's called blockading traffic. It's an amendment from the failure to stop. You're admitting to the blockading?
That's correct.
All right, thank you. That fine is $175.
Okay.
I'm giving you 60 days to get it paid.
Okay, wonderful.
If you have any trouble getting it paid within the 60 days, see the cashiers on the first floor of the courthouse and ask them for a longer term payment plan. As long as you give them a down payment for that payment plan within the next 60 days, your deal will remain intact.
Okay.
All right, have a great weekend. Thank you.
Thank you, you too.
All right, bye-bye. It looks like we're ready on Stacy Polk. Mr. Polk, good morning to you again.
Good morning.
I understand you're going to be pleading guilty to one count of failure to display a valid license, 2 other counts being dismissed. Is that consistent with your understanding?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Thank you, Attorney Johnson. I'll call these cases P185-7445 and P185-7437. Both of these are City versus Stacy Polk. Your appearance, please, Attorney Johnson.
Rodney Johnson,
Sorry.
P78121.
Thank you. And Mr. Polk, state your name again for the record, please.
Stacy Pope.
Thank you. Okay, it's just stated, it looks like this is a plea to one count of failure to display, dismissal of 2 other matters. Is that correct, Attorney Johnson?
That is correct, Your Honor.
Mr. Polk, did anyone promise you?
No.
Can we run an SOS yet? Did we get an SOS on Mr. Polk?
No, Your Honor, but I did ask verbally.
Oh, revoked. Okay, so that's good. The plea will remain. Okay, so it's revoked, Attorney Johnson. All right, Mr. Polk, so it's one, I'm sorry.
No, I said I did ask Mr. Polk. He didn't have a valid license.
Okay, very good. Thank you. Okay, Mr. Polk, so one count of failure to display. We're going to dismiss the expired plates and no proof of insurance. That's all consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
Anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Thank you. Please raise your right hand and swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes.
Thank you. One moment, please. Sir, is it true that on January 26th of 2026, in the area of Kercheval and East Grand Boulevard, you were operating a vehicle in the city of Detroit and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
That's correct.
Thank you. Counsel satisfied?
Defense is satisfied, Your Honor.
Thank you. Fine is $190, Mr. Polk. You have 60 days to get it paid or to start on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor of the courthouse. As long as you do one of those 2 things within the next 60 days, your deal remains in place. Have a great weekend.
Okay, you as well.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Okay. Looks like we're going to be ready. Would you mind popping into 12 and seeing if anyone has spoken to Mr. Poland about his offer, Attorney Johnson? Attorney Walling may have already, but I don't know.
Okay.
Thank you. He's got a couple of others to deal with. Thank you very much. All right, Mr. Pinson, good morning.
Morning.
We have you. All right. I've got failure to display. I'm not really understanding. I've got to plead a failure to display +1, and I don't know what that means. Do you?
Expired.
To the expired plates. Okay, thank you. So 1 count of failure to display, 1 count of expired plates, dismissal of 2 other matters. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
Okay, all right. So calling ticket number SP 185-67971 and all other related matters on today's docket to City versus Anthony Pinson. Mr. Pinson, please state your name for the record.
Anthony Pinson.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, Mr. Pinson. Let's see. You're going to be pleading guilty to 1 count of failure to display, 1 count of expired plates. Is all of that consistent with your understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Officer Del Zocchio, please state your name and badge number for the record.
Yes, good morning, Officer Del Zacchio, badge 706, Detroit Police Traffic Enforcement.
Thank you. Mr. Pinson, did anyone promise you anything I haven't talked about today to get you to plead guilty?
No, ma'am.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Excuse me?
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Okay, please raise your right hand and swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell the court today is the truth.
I swear everything I tell the court today, it will be the truth.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, sir, is it true that on January 22nd of 2026 in the area of Prairie and Puritan, you were operating a vehicle in the city of Detroit and could not provide a valid license to Officer Del Zocchio upon his request?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. And you're also admitting to having expired plates at the time. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am. That's true.
Thank you. Madam Clerk, can you tell me the fine on the expired plates, please?
145.
Thank you. All right, your fines are as follows. On the expired plates, it's $145. On the failure to display a valid license, that's $190. I'm giving you 60 days to either pay your fines in full or to start on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor. As long as you do one of those 2 things within the next 60 days, your deal will remain intact. Please don't try to do anything today. Wait until next week so that we can update the system. For the record, the other matters, counts 2 and 3 on ticket 6796 are dismissed pursuant to the plea.
Your Honor.
Have a great, yes, Mr. Pinson.
I have one quick question. I know y'all busy. Right now I'm currently I'm really having like a financial problem right now, and like I'm looking for a job and stuff like that. Like, will I be able to get like any type of like more days or something like that? Like, because like
Yeah, so we can do a couple different things, Mr. Pinson. So let me ask you one question. Are you currently experience any kind of housing insecurity or homelessness?
Right now I'm staying with my girlfriend, so I don't have nowhere to go. I'm staying with somebody else. I no longer have that car I was driving in.
Mr. Pinson, stop. We have a program called Street Court. And Street Court, if you'd like to work with them, they will help you with finding a job, finding housing, etc. And once you work through their program, it'll be all stuff that just benefits you. The tickets can be dismissed at that time. Would you like me to refer you to Street Court?
Yes, yes, please.
Okay. All right, Officer Del Zocchio, I'm going to go ahead and vacate Mr. Pinson's plea and refer to Street Court. You get some assistance, okay?
Sounds good.
All right, thank you, and thank you for your appearance today. Mr. Pinson, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to vacate your guilty plea and your admission, okay? Because that's your ticket. The tickets are actually your ticket into the program. So you have to have some open tickets so that you can get into the program, okay?
Yes.
I'm going to give you a phone number. I want you to write it down, and then I want you to call them and get started with them.
Should I call them when I get done with this?
I would if I were you, and I would keep calling until I get in there. Okay, it really is a great program. Get ready. Let me know when you're ready to write down the number.
I'm ready now.
It's 313
313
355
355
4460.
4460. And
Okay.
I'm just calling to get in the program, right?
Yep. So they're a group. They have attorneys working there. They have all kinds of people that can help you with finding work, getting education. If there's something you want to study, getting a job, they'll try to help you with all of those things. So give them a call. Okay.
Yes. Thank you for your help.
You are very welcome. Have a great day, Mr. Pinson. Good weekend.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Then let's go to Mark Pruitt. Good morning again, Mr. Pruitt. I'm Malik Pruitt. Sorry.
Good morning.
Good morning. All right. I have tickets number, Attorney Walling, ticket number P1795864 and all other related matters on today's docket to City versus Malik Pruitt. Attorney Walling, your appearance, please.
Yes, Your Honor. Excuse me. My name is Philip X. Walling, P35229, representing Mr. Pruitt.
Thank you. Mr. Pruitt, state your name for the record, please.
Malik Pruitt.
Thank you. Attorney Walling.
At this time, Your Honor, after discussion with Mr. Pruitt, he wishes to continue his not guilty plea. We're asking the court to set this matter for a pretrial.
All right. We'll set the matter for April 10th at 8:35 a.m. Mr. Pruitt, you do have some tickets in default as well that we'll pull out of default. Your tickets mostly have to do with your driver's license, your insurance. You've got one for tinted windows. If you've gotten that fixed when you come back the next time, that'll help. You've got a no insurance. If you have insurance when you come back the next time, it'll help. Updated registration, all those kind of things. Okay. But we will see, even if you don't, come back and we'll get it worked out. April 10th, 8:35 a.m. Okay.
Okay.
All right. We'll see you then.
Okay. Thank you.
Have a good day. Bye-bye. Okay, Attorney Wally, I think you've been sending out your folks for new dates as you go, right?
I have, Judge.
Okay, so then unless you have something where we're going to appoint counsel and we need the personal info, then I guess you're all done.
Well, all right. Wow. See, and you were nervous, Judge, that we were going to have a hard day.
But I've been talking like Speedy Gonzalez out here. I'm sure you've been doing the same.
To be perfectly honest with you, the hard part was when I had to see a client in one room, and then they got shifted to another room, and then when I processed somebody got slipped into there.
Yeah, that does happen, but here's what we do. Because I'm trying to match up officers with trial defendants, I like to keep them close to the officers so that we can see them. So if they've accidentally been placed in a higher room, then I'll move them up so that you can see that easily and we're not scrolling back and forth. I don't know about for you, but once I get past room 19, it's hard for me to even see the rooms. So I try not to leave people waiting in those upper numbers. Because like Mr. Pruitt was stuck, he was in 38. And we had nothing between like room 12 and room 38. So I just didn't want him to get lost or forgotten.
I won't lose them, Your Honor. But just so you know, Mr. Pruitt and Mr. Pinson were not easy for me to deal with.
Understood.
And for example, Mr. Pruitt said he had a good license, but he left it at home. I really didn't appreciate that out of Mr. Pruitt when I swung back to him. And Mr. Pinson, I explained to him that failure to display had no points at least 5 times. Yeah. And there was a disconnect with Mr. But I don't want to sound whiny at this point, Judge, because they kind of bogged me down. And I see Mr. Johnson is taking care of my client for trial. because
Yep,
he couldn't
so-
he couldn't hear me. Yeah, we had a technical difficulty. So
Okay, well, looks like they got matched up, so that's good. Yeah, I knew that you were held down with something, so I just asked Attorney Johnson to jump in and give you some assistance.
okay.
But he was done.
I am not afraid, and I'm used to long courts, Judge. You don't need to put stuff. It confused me early.
Well, I'll tell you what, I'm big on, now that we have Zoom, we have citizens zooming in with their kids from work. So I do try to be, thorough, but efficient too, in terms of if I can have people not waiting for 2 hours. So.
Right, but sometimes, how can I put it?
Well, you'll have to remind me because nobody else has any issues. So when you come, you just remind me of the things that are confusing to you and I'll try to remember that. But this is normally how we do things and I haven't had anybody have a problem with it.
Well, nobody was old enough to tell you, Judge.
I want it to work well. So when you come, just remind me, hey, if you do this, it's confusing to me. Yeah. And we'll try not to do that. But the other thing is, remember too, we're sharing our city attorney. So she'll come in and rename the rooms so that you guys make sure that you have offers if she hasn't gotten to do it on the offer sheet, because she knows that we're gonna lose her and that she might be gone for a little while.
And